Hey, what's up everyone? Happy Monday. Let's run through what you missed in last Friday's edition of The Weekly. First up, something that feels responsible, but can bite you in the ass later. Using working capital to buy equipment so you can say you're debt-free? Look, pulling a few $100,000 out of reserves to avoid financing sounds smart. Nobody likes debt. But if you drain your cushion and then revenue dips or something unexpected hits, now you're in a bind. And that's gonna lead to making bad decisions. The problem isn't borrowing. The problem is that you're boxing yourself in. Cash gives you options. No cash turns every surprise into a problem. If you're about to write a big check for equipment, go read the post first on the Credit Bank blog for a smarter play. Speaking of smart plays, let's talk about the hospitality industry. Hotels are getting smaller on purpose. Smaller rooms, smaller kitchens, fewer keys. Brands like citizenM, Yotel, and Arlo built their models around it. Now Marriott and Hilton are testing smaller formats too. This isn't about being cheap, it's about fixed costs. Big spaces cost more to build, staff, heat, cool, and maintain. When expenses rise, square footage has to justify itself. So instead of bragging about your size, operators are focused on profit per square foot. Then there's housing. Remember when everyone ran to Texas and Florida during COVID? Prices shot up, builders went crazy. Now, some of those same markets have some of the highest levels of underwater mortgages in the country, about 2.1% nationwide. That's the highest since 2018. Meanwhile, Kenosha and Hartford are heating up. Who would have thought? The lesson here, markets move in cycles. If you're chasing what's hot, you're usually late. Then we've got Live Nation. They own Ticketmaster. They promote tours. They have deals with a ton of venues. And now the DOJ, along with 39 states and DC, is taking them to federal trial. The government's argument is basically this. If you're an artist and you want the big venues, you end up stuck inside the Live Nation system, and that limits competition. Live Nation says artists are free to go wherever they want. The DOJ disagrees. If found guilty, it won't be a slap on the wrist. We're talking potential breakup level consequences and serious damages. When you get big enough, the government starts watching. The good news, you may get a refund during a settlement in the near future. Now flip that script to consumer pressure. Instead of launching another $1,400 flagship phone, Apple introduced the iPhone 17e at $599. It's not some bargain bin experiment either. You still get MagSafe, solid storage, and a durable screen. Same iMessage, same App Store, same everything. Just a lower price to get in. Translation? They know consumers are more price sensitive right now, so instead of cutting the brand, they lowered the entry point. Even premium companies adjust when wallets tighten. And that same adjust to reality theme showed up in a MasterCard report this week about small businesses heading into 2026. Their point wasn't buy more tech, it was correct what you already have. Most small businesses already accept digital payments. They already use accounting software. The problem is fragmentation. Payments don't reconcile cleanly, inventory doesn't sync in real time, forecasting lives in some outdated spreadsheet. So owners manually stitch it together. You know what I'm talking about. And every manual fix costs time, and time costs margin. Moral of the story, before adding another subscription, fix the plumbing. And now for some quick hits from around the web. Syracuse got tired of people claiming their streets weren't plowed, so now every snow truck runs GPS with a public map. You can literally check if Trevor drove by your house. Complaint calls dropped 30%. Turns out receipts solve arguments. Over on TikTok, an influencer accused a professor of murder based on a tarot card reading. The outcome? A $10 million defamation judgment. The internet runs on confidence, but courtrooms run on proof. And for the first time ever, a sitting First Lady presided over the UN Security Council. Big symbolic couture moment. Also happening during a tense stretch involving Iran and Israel. History was never one to wait for calm timing. All right, everyone, that's The Weekly. If you want the full breakdown, head over to Substack. And if you want these Monday recaps every week, subscribe on YouTube. Catch you next time.